Up until now, almost everything we've done has been distribution independent. That is, it hasn't mattered if you're running CentOS, Fedora, Ubuntu, or another distribution of Linux. But it's good to know what environment you're working with, in case you need to make some changes to the system or install software. And it's just good to know what you're working with. If you find yourself in an environment you don't know about, it's pretty easy to figure out what distribution you're using. To do this, we'll type cat/etc/star-release, which lists the contents of all the files in the system's etc folder that end with -release. On different distributions, there will be different numbers and names of files that match this wildcard, but they'll contain the information we need. Here, I can see I'm using Fedora Workstation, which I already knew. I'll switch over to an Ubuntu machine and run the same command. I'll write cat, etc/star-release. And here I can see I'm using Ubuntu 14.04 Trusty Tar. If you're following along on a Mac, this command won't work for you. You could, however, use the uname -a command, which will tell you a little bit of information, namely that you're using Darwin, which is the name of the Mac OS X kernel. Remember, OS X isn't Linux, it's a Unix variant. Uname -a works on Linux too. There's not much else to that, but it's a convenient tool to keep in your back pocket in case you find yourself exploring an unknown system.